Hello, bestie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining us. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be taking you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this beautiful African hairstyle. So stay tuned and let's enjoy it together. In today's video, I'll be using this yarn and I got this from Amazon. If you're looking for a place to get it, you can get it from any beauty store, okay, or Amazon. And I will also include a link, okay, direct link to this. And just know that I receive a commission when you click on that link, okay? All right, with no further ado, let's get into this hairstyle. I know you'll be wondering, what am I doing? I'm just taking down the hair because I washed the hair, okay, and I just sectioned them into four and braid it like this. I can braid it or twist it, whichever way I feel like doing, okay? And being that our foundation today is going to be four sections, okay, to work with, I just decided to do that. But now I am just cleaning the parts, okay, to give it a nice look when we're done braiding, okay? That's pretty much what I'm doing. All right, so you could just do this, and again, I always do this each time I wash the girl's hair to help the hair stay put and not tangled up or not being too hard on them when I'm combing it. Okay, so I just keep it this way, and it's easier for us when we're combing the hair. No, some time as well for combing. So that's pretty much how I prep the hair, and I leave it to air dry each time I wash their hair. So that's the way I leave it to dry. And of course, it's already moisturized, okay, with my DIY hair butter and oil that I made. So again, I'm just cleaning the part, and we will begin shortly. Secure each hair or each section with rubber band for easy braiding. Now I'll begin by dividing this one of the sections into three, okay, and that's how many hair or braid or tree that I want to achieve, okay, for each one of them. So in total I should have up to 12. Okay, again, you can get more than that, whatever works for you. Okay, but I am doing three, and her sister, I think I did four on her head. Okay, so again, the more hair you divide, the better. So I'm doing three, her sister is four, based on her hair and the thickness and texture and everything. So now I'm just smoothing the hair, okay, with some braiding gel that I got from Amazon. Again, I'm going to include that link in the description. Okay, everything that I use here, I'm going to include them in the description. So again, FYI, I receive a commission for each one of those links that I include. Okay, just so you know. So just bear that in mind, and let's continue to enjoy. You wanna fall in love. You get this feeling, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms? So I'm gonna begin braiding the hair. So I started braiding the hair using 4 pieces of yarn. Okay, I did not cross it like we're doing boss braid. I just use it that way. If you watch closely, you see how I put it in between my thumb and my index finger, okay, and I place it over on top of the hair, natural hair, and then use the natural hair as the third leg to it. If you watch my video, I always say the leg, okay. Use the natural hair as a third, and then braid it not all the way to the end of the natural hair. Now I am trading, okay. But one thing I did was, after I did 2 braids like that, I stopped braiding, okay. I started trading from onset, from the beginning, okay, not braiding again. So it's okay if you don't braid, okay. You can just begin trading, and that I started doing. You will see it as we go on, okay. Again, we're not braiding this hair or trading the hair to the ends of the natural hair, which is braiding halfway. And again, there's something again I did. I braided this too long. Okay, if you this right here was too long, so I ended up losing it a bit when I was connecting it, or yeah, when I was connecting the hair to the next one. Again, you will see it as we continue. Okay, so that's the same way I'm going to repeat the same process. This one I'm going to braid it again, but again, you can skip the braiding and just begin threading. Okay, all of them is going to come out the same. So skip the braiding part that I did, and just get go right into trading. Okay, it's all the same. And I use 4 for braiding and then 2 for trading. But this time around, when I start trading, I was using only 2. Just yeah, 2 was all I was using. Okay, so just keep watching it, and you will. I believe, okay, it will make sense as you keep watching, and definitely when you try it out as well. Okay, just keep enjoying All right, bestie. So it's time for us to connect, okay? The second braid to the fourth braid or to the fourth threaded hair, okay? So pretty much I'm taking that hair down, just like I mentioned earlier, that I braided or threaded it longer than I should, okay? So I'm taking it down just a little bit more. That way it's exactly on point with the fourth hair, okay? And then I'll continue braiding using the leftover trade from that braid until I exhaust that trade, and then I can add another one, okay, just like I am doing here, and I was only using two. Okay, so how you gonna connect? You braid you first two braid them, okay, or trade them. Again, you don't have to do the braiding that I did before trading, just trade your way out the first two, and then on the third hair, after on the third hair, connect that or add the first one to the third one, okay, and then the second one to the fourth one. All right. The same way the third one to the fifth braid, okay, or hair, and then the fourth one to the sixth one. That is just the way you're gonna be doing it, okay? Skipping one and just continue. This is the easiest hairstyle, okay, you can think of. Not only is it easy, it's also time. It saves you time, money, okay, and it's also a protective style for your girls, okay. I mean, this is the easiest hairstyle you can think of adding on your list, okay, for this school year, and I'm serious about it. Add this to your list for the school year, okay? Easy to take down. Everything about this hair is easy and affordable, okay? And it's cute at the same time. I mean, who can beat that? And that's why I love it. And my guests, they love it too. Oh my God, they love it. Easier, it's easy to sleep on, and every single thing about it. Okay, you can accessorize it as well. Okay, so this is it, and again, I hope this tutorial has helped you or you've learned one or two things, okay, with this tutorial. And we hope that you continue to enjoy. And of course, do us a favor. Please do share this video to moms, friends, families, okay, that have girls that love to braid their hair as well, okay. And we are to the last section of this braids, okay. The same way we're going to connect the two left, okay, to that last braid. So the two hair that was hanging out, okay, we connected it to added it to the last braid, and we're gonna braid that particular one to the end, okay, and secure it up to 3 times. And once we secure it up to 3 times, we're gonna connect it or attach it to the rest of the hair and secure it one more time. Also, I use the lighter, okay, to make sure that it stays on, okay, for the length and period of time they're gonna have the hair. So again, thank you again, okay. I love you guys, and feel free to watch other videos we have as well, okay. And we will see you in our next video. We appreciate you all. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today on this journey of African trading tutorial. If you have loved this tutorial, Give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Share your own African trading creations with us. And until next time, stay fabulous and be blessed. Thank you and see you next. Bye bye.